Welcome back to Cade AI Grove. Have you ever thought that just a few lines of text could create a vivid picture, edit it like Photoshop, and even turn it into a cinematic video? Today, I'll introduce you to a tool called Dreamina. And the best part is, you can use it for free with 300 credits every single day. If you want to try Dreamina yourself, I've left a link down in the description. Make sure to check it out after watching. Dreamina just released Image 3.0, a massive upgrade compared to the older version. Now you can generate images in 2 Kelvin quality, sharper, more detailed, and more natural than ever. And the editing tools are built right inside the platform. Once you log in with Google, click on the AI Image tab. Type your prompt, for example, a graceful woman in a flowing red dress standing on a balcony at sunset, cinematic lighting. Then adjust the settings. Model Image 3.0 wise. Aspect ratio 16:9, 1:1, or 9:16. Resolution standard 1 Kelvin or upgrade to 2 Kelvin. After clicking Generate, Dreamina will return multiple versions. If you're not satisfied, click Regenerate or refine your prompt. The highlight is when you open any image, you already have powerful editing tools available. Creative Upscale and Upscale, improve quality and add more details. Retouch, smoothen and sharpen. Inpaint, select areas to add or change details. Expand, extend the canvas if the image feels too cropped. Remove, erase unwanted elements. You can also choose Edit on Canvas to work directly or generate video to animate your still image. Next, go to the AI Video tab. This is where you can turn text prompts into cinematic scenes. For example, a woman walking slowly through a futuristic neon-lit street, rain falling, cinematic style. Adjust the settings. Model Video 3.0 body. Aspect ratio 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. Duration default 5 seconds, extend if needed. After generating, you can refine the video with interpolate, smoother motion, upscale, higher quality, regenerate sound, replace or create background music. You can also upload 1-2 photos, pick a transition, and Dreamina will animate them into a short clip, perfect for AI shorts or social media content. And that's how Dreamina helps you create images, edit them, and turn ideas into videos in just minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cade AI Grove for more AI tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.